Naresh Physics channel. Students, in this session, I am going to discuss about NEET previous paper questions from 2016 to 2020 in units and measurements. And also I provided complete playlist on units and measurements in description and also in comments. Let's start the game. Students, in 2016 we have two phases. In phase 1 we didn't get any MCQ in units and measurements, but in phase 2 we got one MCQ. That is, look at here, Planck's constant h, speed of light in vacuum c, and Newton's gravitational constant g are three fundamental constants. Which of the following combination of these has the dimensions of length? So the combination of these gives the dimensions of length. From these given combinations, from the options, we need to find which combination gives the dimensions of length. So first of all, I will write the combination of these constants equal to the length. Look at here. See, L equal to Planck's constant h, next speed of light in vacuum c, next Newton's gravitational constant, that is g. Okay, now I will take powers for these constants, that is h power x, c power y and g power z. Why I took powers means here, when I apply principle of homogeneity, I can equal the powers on both sides. Look at here, this is equation 1. Okay, now I will write dimensions for these equation on both sides. Look at here, for L, that is m power 0, L power 1, t power 0. Now next for h, for Planck's constant, how we will write dimension formula? If you remember E equal to h nu, you can write dimension formula for Planck's constant. Look at here, we know that E equal to h nu. From that, h equal to E by nu. E means energy. I can apply dimensional formula of work done here. Look at here, that is work done force into displacement, that is force ml t power minus 2 into displacement, that is L, by frequency. Frequency means 1 by time period. I can take t power minus 1. Okay, then what I will get? Here I will get m into L, L square. T power minus 1, if I move to the numerator, it will become t power plus 1. So t power minus 2 plus 1 means I will get t power minus 1. Okay, so I got ml square t power minus 1 for Planck's constant. Now I will write in the place of h dimension formula for h, that is m L square t power minus 1 whole power x. And for c, c means speed of light in vacuum, that is, you know that is Lt power minus 1. So Lt power minus 1 whole power y, and g, in the place of g I have to write dimension formula. See, you know that for g you can write fr square by m1 m2. For force, you know that is ml t power minus 2. For r square means L square by m1 m2 means masses, so I can write m square here. So here m square, if I move to the numerator, m power minus 2, m power minus 2 plus m means into m means, that is m power minus 1 L into L square L cube into t power minus 2. So in the place of gravitational constant, I will write this dimensional formula, that is m power minus 1, okay, L power 3, t power minus 2 whole power z. Okay, now I will write m power x. See, I will write first of all in terms of m, that is a power m into a power n plus n. Here I will multiply first m terms, that is m power x into m power minus z, that is m power x minus z, m power x minus z. Next I will write in terms of L. See, L power 2x into L power y into L power 3z, that is L power 2x here plus y here plus 3z, L power 3z. Next I will write in terms of t, that is, see, t power minus x and t power minus y, and here t power minus 2z. So I will get t power minus x here minus y and minus 2z. And in LHS, m power 0, L power 1, t power 0. Okay. Now I will apply principle of homogeneity. From principle of homogeneity, we can equal the powers of physical quantities on both sides. First I will equal the powers of m. Look at here. See, here m power x minus z equal to m power 0. So here bases equal, powers will be equal. So what can I write? X, from principle of homogeneity I can write x minus z is equal to 0. From that x equal to z. This is equation 2. Okay. Now I will equal the powers of L on both sides. Look at here. That is L power 1 equal to L power 2x plus y plus 3z. From principle of homogeneity I can equal the powers here. Look at here. That is 2x plus y plus 3z is equal to 1. That implies, see here x equal to z. So instead of 3z I will write 3x. So 3x plus 2x, what is that? 5x plus y equal to 1. This is equation 3. Okay. Now I will equal the powers of t on both sides. Look at here. That is minus x minus y minus 2z is equal to 0. So here from equation 2 x equal to z. So instead of z, if I take x means x and 2x 3x. That means minus x and minus 2z, minus 2x minus 3x. So minus 3x minus y is equal to 0. Okay. Now this is equation 4. Now I will add 3 and 4. If you add 3 and 4, what will you get? You will get 5x minus 3x. 5x minus 3x means 2x plus y minus y cancel here, plus y minus y cancel. So 2x equal to 1. From that x equal to 1 by 2. So x equal to 1 by 2 means x equal to z from equation 2. Therefore z also 1 by 2. Therefore z also 1 by 2. So we got x equal to 1 by 2 and z equal to 1 by 2. Now we will find y equal to how much? That is y equal to, in the place of equation 3, if I substitute y value, then if I substitute x value, I will get y value. Look at here. See, equation 3 implies, what is equation 3? That is 5x plus y equal to 1. Okay. Equation 3 implies 5x plus y equal to 1. So here in from that y equal to 1 minus 5x. So 1 minus 5 x plus, what can I write? I can write 1 by 2. That means 5 into 1 by 2. So if you do LCM here, 2 is the LCM. So 2 minus 5, that equal to minus 3 by 2. So y equal to minus 3 by 2. Now substitute x value and z value and y value in equation 1. If you substitute these values, what you will get? Look at here. Now 1 implies equation 1 implies L equal to h power x. What you got x? That is 1 by 2. Next c power y. What you got? Y. You got minus 3 by 2. Next g power z. Z what you got? You got 1 by 2. That is g power 1 by 2. So this one I will write root over hg by c power 3 by 2. See, option 3 is the answer for this problem. Next we will do second problem. Students, in 2017 we got one MCQ in units and measurements. Look at here. A physical quantity of the dimensions of the length that can be formed out of c, g and e square by 4 pi epsilon naught is, where c means velocity of light, g is universal gravitational constant and e is charge. See, as it is same model we got like in 2016 phase 2, that model only again in 2017 we got. So here the dimensions of physical quantity which is equal to length, it is by the combination of these constants c, g and e square by 4 pi epsilon naught. First I will write these constants combination equal to L. Look at here. See, L equal to c, g, e square by 4 pi epsilon naught. Now I will take powers here to equal powers on both sides by applying principle of homogeneity. Look at here, c power x, g power y, e square 4 pi epsilon naught whole power z. It is equation 1. Okay. First I will write dimensions of both LHS and RHS. Look at here. For dimensions of L, that is m power 0, L power 1, t power 0. That is equal to dimensions of C, that means velocity of light, that is Lt power minus 1. So Lt power minus 1 whole power x. Okay. Next G. G means already in previous problem we found that is m power minus 1 L cube t power minus 2. Okay. M power minus 1 L cube t power minus 2. Power y whole power y. Okay. Into this term I need to write e square by 4 pi epsilon naught. I need to write dimension formula. Here E means charge. Look at here. See, e square by 4 pi epsilon naught. See, e square means charge. I will write charge in terms of current and time, that is it. So I will write I into t whole square into 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught means I will apply Coulomb's law, that is Fr square by Q1 Q2. See here, I square t square, okay, into Fr square. Q1 means I1 T1 into Q2 means I2 T2. Okay. Now I will take dimensions of these physical quantities. For current, ampere, that is A square. For time, T square. Okay. For F, I will write ml t power minus 2. R square means L square. Okay. By I1 means A, T1 means T, into I2 means A, dimension formula, T2 means T. A means ampere, you know that. So here A and this A square cancel, and T this T square cancel. So what we got? We got ml cube t power minus 2. Okay. So in the place of e square by 4 pi epsilon naught, I will substitute this ml cube t power minus 2. Look at here. That is ml cube t power minus 2 whole power z. Now first I will write in terms of m. Look at here, that is m power minus y, here m power z, that is m power minus y plus z, into, next in terms of l I will write l power, see l power x, so here 3y, l power 3y means here plus 3y, and here l power 3z, that is plus 3z. Okay, next in terms of t, that is t power minus x, and here minus 2y, and here minus 2z, minus 2z. Okay, in LHS that is m power 0, l power 1, t power 0. Okay, now I will apply principle of homogeneity for both LHS and RHS. Look at here, first I will take for m, see here I will equal the powers of m in both LHS and RHS. Look at here, that is y minus y plus z is equal to 0. From that y equal to z, that is equation 2. Okay, now I will take for L. Look at here, for L if I take means, okay, here from RHS x plus 3y plus 3z equal to, in LHS that is l power 1, that is 1. So here in this equation, from equation 2 we know that y equal to z. In the place of z, if I take y, then I will get x plus 6y. Look at here, x plus 6y equal to 1, that is equation 3. Okay, now I will take for t. Look at here, for t if I take, that is minus x minus 2y minus 2z is equal to t power 0, that means 0. Okay, so in the place of z, if I wrote y, I will get minus x minus 2y minus 2y, that is minus 4y equal to 0, that is equation 4. Now I will add 3 plus 4. If I do 3 plus 4, plus x minus x cancel, so 6y minus 4y means 2y, 2y equal to 1. So 2y equal to 1 means y equal to 1 by 2. Y equal to 1 by 2. If y equal to 1 by 2, z also 1 by 2 from equation 2. Why? Because y equal to z. So therefore z equal to 1 by 2. And what about x? From equation 3, I will write 3 implies x equal to 1 minus 6y. That equal to 1 minus 6 into y means 1 by 2. So you will get 2 tables, 6 cancel 3 times, that is 1 minus 3. So you will get minus 2. So x equal to minus 2. So we got x equal to minus 2, y equal to 1 by 2, and z equal to 1 by 2. Now I will substitute these values in equation 1. Now 1 implies L equal to c power x. C power x means minus 2 into g power y means 1 by 2 into bracket of e square by 4 pi epsilon naught. Z means 1 by 2. So I will write 1 by 2. Okay. So if I see the options, from the given options, I can write in the form of option 4. Look at here. See, c power minus 2 means 1 by c square. Okay. G power half into e square by 4 pi epsilon naught. Half means I can write combinedly half for both the terms. That is g e square by 4 pi epsilon naught whole power 1 by 2. Okay. So finally I got L equal to 1 by c square into g e square by 4 pi epsilon naught power 1 by 2. So from the given options, answer is 4. So 4 is the answer here. Okay. Next we will go for another problem in 2018. In 2018, we got one MCQ in units and measurements. That is on screw gauge. Look at here. A student measured the diameter of a small steel ball using a screw gauge of least count 0.001 centimeter. The main scale reading is 5 millimeter and 0 of circular scale division coincides with 25 divisions above the reference level. If screw gauge has a zero error of minus 0.004 centimeter, the correct diameter of the ball is. So here we need to find diameter of the ball. First of all, we will write given data. Look at here. Given least count of screw gauge, that is 0.001 centimeter. Given least count equal to 0.001 centimeter. Okay. Next, the main scale reading is 5 millimeter. That is MSR. MSR means main scale reading. That equal to 5 millimeter. 5 millimeter. I will convert millimeter in terms of centimeter. That is 5 into 10 power minus 1 centimeter. That is equal to 5 by 10. You will get 5 by 10 means you will get 0.5 centimeter. Okay. You will get 0.5 centimeter here. So now what they have given, and 0 of circular scale division coincides with 25 divisions above the reference level. That means circular scale reading is 25. Look at here. CSR equal to 25. I can say circular scale coincide division, that is 25. Okay. Then if screw gauge has a zero error of minus 0.04 centimeter, that means it has negative error. So negative error equal to how much? Minus 0.004 centimeter. Okay. Then what we need to find? We need to find diameter of the ball. Look at here. Diameter of the ball is equal to question mark. Okay. So here diameter equal to, I will apply the formula, MSR plus CSR into LC. Okay. So MSR, main scale reading how much? 0.5 centimeter. That is 0.5 plus CSR, circular scale coincide division or circular scale reading, that is 25 into LC, least count 0.001 centimeter. So 0.001 centimeter. Okay. So I will get 0.5 plus here 0.025 centimeter. If I add means what I will get? I will get 0.525 centimeter. Okay. So, but here we have negative error. Okay. Here negative error is minus 0.004 centimeter. So error is negative. Therefore correction is positive. So correction is positive. Okay. So we have to add this 0.004 centimeter with this 0.525 centimeter. Therefore diameter of the ball is equal to 0.525 plus 0.004, that is equal to 0.529 centimeter. Okay. So we got a diameter 0.529 centimeter. So answer is option 4. Option 4 is the answer. Okay. Next we will go for 2019. 2019 we got two MCQs in units and measurements. One is on thermal conductivity, another one is percentage of error. First, thermal conductivity. What is meant by thermal conductivity? Thermal conductivity of a material is the measure of ability of a material to conduct heat. Look at here. The unit of thermal conductivity is, first of all I will write formula for thermal conductivity. Look at here. Thermal conductivity is equal to heat into distance by area into temperature into time. Okay. First I will write heat by time. Look at here. Heat by time. Next I will write distance by area. Next I will write 1 by temperature. See, heat by time, energy by time. Energy by time means power. SI unit of power is watt. So I can write SI unit for the first term, watt, into, for distance meter, for area meter square, for temperature Kelvin. Okay. Now this one I can write watt. See, meter square cancel means I can write meter power -1 and here Kelvin power -1. So from the given options, if you see here, option 3 is the answer. Okay. Next we will go for second problem in 2019. Now second problem in 2019, that is on percentage of error. Look at here. In an experiment, the percentage of error occurred in the measurement of physical quantities A, B, C and D are 1%, 2%, 3% and 4% respectively. Then the maximum percentage of error in the measurement of X, where X equal to A square B power 1 by 2 by C power 1 by 3 into D cube. We will do solution. Look at here. Given X is equal to A square B power 1 by 2 by C power 1 by 3 D cube. Okay. Now relative error, that is delta X by X is equal to 2 into delta A by A. Okay, A square means I can write 2 into delta A by A. Next, plus B power 1 by 2 means 1 by 2 into delta B by B, plus C power 1 by 3 means 1 by 3 into delta C by C, plus D cube means 3 into delta D by D. Okay. We need to calculate percentage error of X. So I will write relative error into 100. That gives percentage error of X. Look at here. So now I will multiply with 100 on both sides. That is delta X by X into 100 is equal to 2 into, see, bracket of delta A by A into 100 plus 1 by 2 into bracket of delta B by B into 100 plus 1 by 3 into bracket of delta C by C into 100 plus 3 into delta D by D into 100. Okay. So here 2 into delta A by A into 100 means that is percentage error of A. Percentage of error of A is 1%. So 2 into 1% plus 1 by 2 into percentage error of B is 2%. So 2% plus 1 by 3 into percentage of error is 3%. So I will write 3% plus 3 into percentage error of D is 4%. That I will write 4%. Okay. So 2 into 1%, 2%. Here 2 cancel, so you will get plus 1%. Here 3 cancel, you will get 1%. Next 3 into 4, 12%. So if you add all these, you will get 16%. So from the given options, answer is first one, that is 16%. Now we will go for 2020. In 2020, we got 3 MCQs in units and measurements. First one is on significant figures. Look at here. Taking into account of the significant figures, what is the value of 9.99 meter minus 0.0099 meter? First, I will subtract. Look at here. Solution. See 9.99. Okay. Next 0.0099. Okay. Here I will take 0. So I need to subtract here. Here, if I take borrow here, 10 minus 9, 1. Here 9 minus 9, 0. Here 8 will be there. So here we will get 8. And here we will get 9. So we will get 9.9801. If you see, option 2 we have 9.9801. But we should not take 9.9801. Why? Because on the account of significant figures they are saying. So we need to follow rules for significant figures. So for rules for significant figures, we have to take least decimal places in the question. That is 9.99. So the answer is 9.98. So the option is, see 9.98 meter is the answer. So the option is 3. So 3 is the answer here. Next we will go for second problem in 2020. Second problem on dimensions formula, that is dimensions of stress are. See, stress means, for example, we used to say he is feeling exam stress. That means stress means pressure. You know that pressure formula, force by area. Like that, stress also force by area. Look at here. Stress is equal to force by area. Okay. For force, dimension formula, that is mass into acceleration, mass m, acceleration Lt power minus 2 by, for area, L square. So here square L cancel. So what you will get? So we will get m into L power minus 1 T power minus 2. So that is option 1. Option 1 is the answer. Okay. Next we will go for third problem. Now third problem. Third problem is on screw gauge. Look at here. A screw gauge has least count of 0.01 millimeter and there are 50 divisions in its circular scale. The pitch of the screw gauge is. What is meant by pitch of the screw gauge? Pitch means distance covered by the screw per one revolution. Look at here. See, given least count is equal to 0.01 millimeter. 0.01 millimeter. And the number of divisions in its circular scale is 50 divisions. Number of divisions of circular scale. Circular scale, that is 50 divisions. We need to calculate pitch of the screw gauge. See, least count is equal to pitch by number of divisions on head scale. Number of divisions on head scale. Head scale means circular scale. Okay. So here from that pitch equal to least count into number of divisions on circular scale. Okay. So here least count 0.01 mm, that is 0.01 mm into number of divisions on circular scale 50. So I will write this one 1 by 100 into 50. So 0 0 cancel. So I will get 0.5 millimeter. That is option 4. With this problem, I have completed all problems in units and measurements in NEET from 2016 to 2020. You know that NEET was started from 2016. That's why I took from 2016 to 2020. Also, I kept playlist link in description and also in comment section. You can utilize that playlist for your preparation. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe and click the bell icon for all notifications. Thank you.